This is Miss Monica Cooks, and we are going to make Instant Pot beef and daikon stew today. It's hearty, it's delicious, and it has chuck roast, daikon, baby carrots, green onion, and white rice, and a bunch of sauces and spices that are not all included in this picture, but we will get into the recipe and you'll know exactly what I added. And I have a recipe that is linked in the description so that you can follow along there as well. It's really tasty and it's a traditional Cantonese dish. Here you're going to cube the chuck roast and put it into the Instant Pot. Slice your ginger. You'll see it's like the size of my finger. There's bay leaves, and it doesn't really matter how much you put in. If the leaves are bigger, just to preference. You have garlic and onion, and you just throw it into the pot. White pepper, it's a half tablespoon of white pepper. A little bit of sugar. You're just going to add that to the pot with 5 spice powder, dark soy, hoisin, and of course I'll give you substitutions. I had Kroger soy sauce, and you get what you get, and you don't throw a fit. Rice wine, there are a bunch of different kinds you can get. Mix and cover with water. You're going to set your pressure cooker for 30 minutes, and it's going to take a while to rise the pressure because it's a lot of food. During this time, wash, peel, and cut your daikon. When the pressure cooker is done, you're going to remove the beef and take out these bits because you don't want to eat them because they're really bitter. And here you go. You're going to take out the meat and then put the vegetables in. Pressure cook for 12 minutes. Chop green onions, ready to garnish. Take everything out and garnish with green pepper and serve. Green onions, I mean. It's delicious. I have it any time of the year. I hope you enjoy. Follow Hello Cincinnati and hashtag Miss Monica Cooks.